Right, in this lesson, we're multiplying two binomials, sort of a classic type of problem. And you may, if you've had an algebra class in the last few years, this is one of those sticky concepts, at least the acronym is, the FOIL method. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not a huge fan of the FOIL method because it only works for multiplying two binomials. And really, it's better if you think about it. Just take everything from the first binomial and make sure it gets distributed to everything in the second binomial. So what I mean by that is take this x times x. All we're doing is using the distributive property twice. So x times x is what? Well, it's x squared. And then x times 5. We have plus 5x. And then move to the next term. 3 times x is a 3x. And then 3 times 5 is 15. Now, you will often be able to combine these middle terms. And we can here. So we'll have x squared plus 8x plus 15. So these two are equivalent. X plus 3 times x plus 5 is the same thing as x squared plus 8x plus 15. If you were to graph those, if you were to evaluate those, you would get the same answers. Okay, try this one. Recommend pausing the video, see if you can do this one ahead of me, and then come back. Welcome back. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to say 2y times y is 2y squared. And then 2y times 6 is a positive 12y. Negative 4 times y is a minus 4y. And then negative 4 times 6 is a minus 24. And again, we can combine these two middle terms. You won't always be able to, but it's worth taking a second look there. So 2y squared plus 8y minus 24. Last one, x minus 4 times x minus 4. So we're going to have x times x is x squared. And then x times a minus 4 is a minus 4x. Minus 4 times x is another minus 4x. And minus 4 times a minus 4 is a positive 16. Be careful on those. And again, what can I do with these middle terms again? Good, I can combine them. Be careful on this one. This one's highly missed. Students will cancel those. But remember, this is a negative 4x plus a negative 4x. So this is going to be x squared minus 8x plus 16. Now, this is actually a special product that we'll look at in the next subsection of this lesson.